This is my review of the Tefal Cook Healthy Nonstick Aluminum Frying Pan. So we bought this new Tefal pan from Tesco. I'm giving it a try. It's non-stick, good for gas and induction stoves. So I'm about to make some protein pancakes here. Let's see how well this makes my pancakes. Okay, so I'm going to give this a go with making my protein pancakes. And what I like to do first is heat up the pan, the frying pan on high, just to get the pan nice and hot. Then afterwards, what I'm going to do is turn it down to about like a medium low, and that's how I'll be cooking my pancakes. Because I find when I put it on high, what is leaking here? Oh shoot. I just rinsed it, but I didn't realize there was so much water in the pan. Whatever. So yeah, what I'm going to do then is then when I have it on medium low, that's how I cook my pancakes. Because when you cook it on high or medium high, you gotta watch it, and it will burn quickly, and ain't nobody got time for that. So I'm gonna do a test trial here. I'm not going to use, normally I grease up my pan when I make my pancakes using my extra virgin olive oil right here. But I'm just being tricky here. I want to see, because this is really non-stick. Could it cook a pancake? Could it make a pancake without using any oil? Let's see. Alright, so I think it's hot. It's really hard to tell usually when you see steam, but because of the color of this pan, I think it makes it hard to see. I'm just not seeing it, but I don't want to keep it on high heat for long here. So I've turned it down, and now I'm going to place my pancake mix here, as you can see. Give it a go here. I'm going to do a little one because I don't want to waste it. And then next thing, it doesn't work. Then I gotta go make more. Another batch full. So I know the trick is when you see bubbles, that's the indication that you can churn it over. So I'm seeing bubbles starting to form on the edge here. So we'll give it a go. Oh yeah, here come the bubbles. Oh, yeah. For some reason, I feel like this is not going to stick. It just looks like it's going to be okay. Oh, these bubbles are formulating. Here we go. Please work. Dear Lord Jesus, make it work. Make it work. Oh, 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 oh. What? No way. Oh my gosh. I didn't have to use any oil for these pancakes. Honestly, all I have in here is like Greek yogurt, rolled oats, vanilla extract, a little bit of salt, baking powder, and an egg white. Am I missing anything? And milk. So there's really, I didn't put no butter, no oil, nothing. I blended it all together to make the mix. And this bad boy just cooked my pancake. Look at that. It's just sliding. It's skating. Skate, skate, skate. It's skating through the pan. Oh my gosh. Yo, this is my go-to pan. Yo. Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna make a bigger one now. Let's do that. Let me get a plate. I need a plate. Hold on one second. Yes, baby. I'll get you something to eat. You can have some of my protein pancakes. No! Girl, you don't know what you're missing. Okay, let's try a bigger one now.
You need the giant one.
I want a big one, yeah. There we go. All right.
What about the giant?
Yeah, it's giant. All right, let's see if this is going to do the same thing. Oh, here come the bubbles.
Are you waiting for the bubbles?
I'm waiting for the bubbles to pop, 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 pop.
Can I see?
Yes, come around. Let's look together. See? Come over here. There you go. See it popping? The bubbles here? But you have to wait.
Oh, there's one.
Yeah, it actually looks like a smiley face. Look, 2 eyes and a smile. Oh, they're all coming up now. When they start to come up, that's an indication that we flip the pancake.
How do you flip it? We did that already.
I did that one, yeah, but we're going to do this one now. Ooh, watch it, watch it. It's very hot. Let's see.
And she is behind.
Wow, look at that. Oh my gosh. That is a beautiful pancake.
Yeah.
Love it.
Daddy's gonna try this.
Do you know how many calories I am like saving here because I don't have to use oil or any type of grease to make this pancake? This means I can eat more pancakes. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. I am loving this pan. Tefal, you got me shook. Oh my gosh. I know you do, girlfriend. Oh, wow. Let me see yeah, that looks good. All right, that one's done. Okay, sorry. My phone cut out here because it was overheating because I had it way too close to the stove. But I had to take this off because I was like, it was sticking and I don't want to ruin my thing. So, as you see, I'm trying to pry it off here. And this is what the egg looks like on this side. So, I definitely would, I would have to use some type of grease on here. I wouldn't. I mean, I could pretty much get away with it, but if you don't want this to stick and then have to like soak it and stuff, I would suggest using some grease in the pan, to be honest with you. So let's try this again with some grease here. Okay, so I'm gonna try and get this off here. Oh wow! Once you add water, I thought I would have to scrub a bit. But once you add water, it literally comes off here. Really good. A little bit hot here. So I've got a sponge. Nothing coarse or anything like that. It's nice and soft. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of pressure on those areas. Get that bit clean. Right here. Push it around a bit. Alright, clean here. I'm going to use it again. Make sure all the soap is off. Alright, let's see here. Obviously I didn't see those specks there, but let's give it a look here. Oh wow, yeah. It really is. It's coming off, literally, the parts that I missed here. But all here, look at that. Yep, there we go. It's all gone. All gone, y'all. So you don't even, well, you should not be using this. But if you do, you don't need it. You really don't. My sponge here, the scorching part, I don't know what you call it, came off. And it's not as hard as this one here. But you would not need to use it. The soft side does the job. It really does. So another plus here. Tick tack. So now we're gonna cook the egg. Got another egg. This time I'm going to use my olive oil here, extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna just spray twice. 1, 2. And then what I'm going to do, I have it on high heat now, on the highest setting. And I think it's ready to put in. And let me crack this egg. Drop it in. Break my yolk. There we go. Alright. So let's see now. It's not ready as yet. I am going to turn it down off high heat. Bring it to maybe like between medium and high, like more closer to high. I'm not gonna lie, I struggle to make a good fried egg. I don't know what it is with me. My husband says I don't use enough butter. I don't like using butter, so. I mean, I use it. Like, I like using it when I'm making scrambled eggs. It gives your scrambled eggs that nice fluffiness, but. Alright, I was like, there's a little bit of stickiness here. But that could have been just because I added the egg in a little too early. Because, yeah. So let me just try and flip it now. Oh, that wasn't bad. Okay. I flipped it without making a mess. So, yeah. Let's see what happens in a couple of seconds here. Just letting the egg cook on the other side here. Because there's that runny yolk. I don't like that. It's not bad. This ain't even sticking, this one here. Alright. Ooh. Alright. Oh wow, just picked up that whole part that I thought was going to stick to the pan there. This part right here. And I'm just going to flip it back over to get that little part yolk cooked. Wow. That's really good. I think it needs to be cooked a little bit more on the other side. Alright, there we go. Okay, so definitely use some type of grease when you're making eggs here. And I would assume that's the same thing if you're making any type of meat, chicken, beef, you would want to put some type of grease in here. Okay, so here are my pancakes. I just made my pancakes, but to put maple syrup on. Let me tell you, this bad boy is so good. I mean, we got it on sale at Tesco for £11.50. Regular price, I think it was almost half off.
It's $24.99.
It was $24.99. My husband said it was $24.99. $24.99. Shut the front door and walk away. Are you kidding me? Well, we got ourselves a deal here because this pan, Tefal, is my go-to now. Like, I made these pancakes with no oil, no butter, no grease. You saw it. You saw how it cooked. I would only suggest that you put all grease when you're making eggs, and even then, you don't even need a lot. And then I guess anything else, I get, ground beef. If you're using 20% ground beef, then you don't need any oil. Maybe 5%. And again, that's very little. But look at that. That's insane. Here's my maple syrup, Canadian maple syrup. Yo, I'm going to enjoy this bad boy. Let me get a fork. Stay right there. Don't move, my peoples.
Mom!
Give this a go. Oh. Let me give this a go. Hot. But so good. So good. That is hot.
Mom, just send it out.
Very good. Highly recommend. Scale from 0 to 10, 0 being sucks, 10 being amazing. 9.5. 9.5. 9.5 for this bad boy.
Hey, Mom.
I'm really impressed with this.
Hey, Mom.
Anyways, thanks for watching. I'm about to finish the rest of my pancakes. Y'all take care, stay blessed. Bye for now.